Hello, DL Price here. This is part 2 of a second video that I'm doing in regards to our blizzard that's currently here in Michigan. I wanted to show you the backyard. It's getting dusk. So it's after 5 o'clock. The wind's picked up a little bit. It's very cold. I don't even think it has hit barely 10 degrees today. The last time I checked, it's 6 degrees. And that doesn't include the wind chill, which I think is below 0. But what I wanted to show you is straight across my backyard are some houses that I can't even see right now because of the blowing snow. We can see the houses that are closer to me, but there is a street and there's about 2 houses or more way at the end that I am having a hard time even seeing because of the blowing snow. So I wanted to show everybody that in case you live in Michigan and you're under the blizzard warning, try not to venture out. I'm lucky enough where I'm working from home today with the company of my dog Rosebud. So we're inside, nice and cozy. It's warm. I have not lost power today, knock on wood. I did lose the internet a little bit last night, but it's up still today. So I've been able to work. I'm just taking a break to show you this before it gets dark. But this is a Friday afternoon. Christmas is in 2 days. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. And we're in Michigan under a blizzard warning. And I don't know if you can see very well. That's the front yard of my house. And that's the streets. The plows did come through once today and plowed the street. So some people could get out. I attempted to shovel my driveway, but it was too heavy of a snow. So I gave up. And my plow guy is going to be arriving either today or tomorrow to plow my driveway out. But again, this is DL Price, author of Trade Chronicles. I wanted to just do a quick video of our blizzard update. And I will probably try to send you another video tomorrow on Christmas Eve. I hope everybody is safe. Whoever's in the blizzard warning, because it's hitting multiple states right now, listen to your weather channel and updates from them and your highway patrol about venturing out or driving. I hear that we have hit a coldness that we haven't had since 2019 when the polar vortex had came through. So this is a good storm. Okay, my break is over. Back to work. Everybody have a good evening and be safe.